Now clear with this crow activity. Now what I'll do is, see, there is a tree A, there is a tree A and there is also a tree B. The crow should hit the ground like this and should reach the tree B. It should reach the tree B. Now ekkadaithe crow anedi hit chestundi akkada what I'll do is I'll assume a perpendicular line like this. I'll assume a perpendicular line like this. Clear? What I have drawn here, I have drawn a perpendicular line. Clear? Now this line is making certain angle, this line is making certain angle with the normal line, What do you mean by normal line? A line drawn perpendicular to the surface, Now I'll name this angle as R, I'll name this angle as I, Now what happens? It has hit the ground and again it has traveled to the tree B. Now ikkada ee angle ni nenu em pilustanu ante I'll call it as R. Clear? I'll call it as R. Now my observation after recording the values, it says that angle I is equals to angle R. Angle I ante endi ante angle of incidence. Angle R ante endi ante angle of reflection. Clear with this one? Angle I ante endi angle of incidence. R ante endi angle of reflection. Clear? Now forget the crow and forget everything. Now this is the light ray. After hitting the reflecting surface, it bounces back. Clear? Now what we have learned is Fermat's principle. And according to this Fermat's principle, he clearly says that light always takes the path which is shorter. Clear? Light always takes the path which is shortest path has been taken by the light. Clear? Or the light takes the path which takes very less time, This is a statement given by the Fermat. And this principle we follow. What is that principle? Light always takes the path which is taking the least time. Clear with this one? A least time anedi eppudu possible ante when this angle is equal to this angle, when angle I is equal to angle R. Indirectly we have proved the first law of reflection. States that angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Clear with this one? Everybody understood this activity? Andarku ardhamaindi kada? This is the general activity. Now I'll tell you what exactly is the activity which we have to perform, to find the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Now after finding those angle of incidence and angle of reflection, we'll check whether they are equal or not. Clear with this one? Clear?